Good morning. Welcome to day 22 of our 28 days of Airstream renovation. Today is a gloomy, nice, cool day, and we have a lot of work to do. I have recruited my niece, Kiwi. She is going to be painting for me, and I am going to be doing a little bit of painting and a lot of other things. So we should probably get started. But if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, you should do that. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. All right, let's get to it. So you're putting a coat of Flex Seal on the inside of this. That'll create like a nice rubberized surface. So when we shower, it won't soak into the wall. Yay! Yay! So as you can see back here, there's a lot of dust that got kicked up onto the walls. So I'm gonna clean all this off so I can get a top coat put on here. I got this wall pretty well cleaned, good enough. Once we get the top coat on, it's going to have a slicker surface. It's an eggshell, so it'll be easier to wipe down in case there's some dust that gets on it now, but I really need to get this back bedroom fully painted so it's one less thing to worry about. All right, Kiwi, what are you up to?
Painting the cabinets.
Nice, we're painting the cabinets with wheat bread. So nice. And she already got one coat of the Flex Seal on the interior of the shower. How's it going up there?
It's very scrapey.
Very scrapey.
This stuff is horrible, the silicone, but it's coming off. So these seams back here are in pretty bad shape. They started out like this and like this. I've been working from this corner back. And as you can see, most of the silicone is gone. Silicone is the worst. It doesn't seal properly and it will not release. It's just got a rubbery, clingy kind of adhesion. And that's not good. So try to clean most of this out from this seam here. This is where we want to get the new stuff, the par bond, to go between these panels. Ow. And you want to try and have this as clean as possible so that it adheres properly here. And these rivets are a separate issue. We'll have to test each one of those and make sure that they're still holding properly. There's a different kind of sealant that we want to use for those, but we'll have to remove any that are not sealed properly and get some Trem Pro behind those and the par bond in between here. So got about this much of this done. It's possible to do, just got a lot more to work on.
So one of the important lessons learned from this scraping activity is don't use crappy silicone caulk to seal up the joints of your Airstream. There are much, much better caulking solutions. Time to take a little break so that I can bring the Kiwi home. But when I get back, it's time for more day 22. See ya in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. I'm back! Towels in hand. Time to work on this roof. It rained a little bit and we need a nice dry surface. So I don't fall off and die. All right, let's see how much we can get done before it starts raining again. 8? Alright, I was able to get it done before it started raining again, so we will continue with the rest of it tomorrow. Now, time to head inside and paint some more. So Goran got us this sweet new light. We, took the batteries out and all that jazz, so we can't really turn the power on anymore, at least the lights, so this is what I've been using. I do not want to turn it on right now because it'll just cause flicker in the screen and it looks like crap. But, so far so good. I'm gonna finish up this amount of paint I have right here. Not a ton, but I should be able to get about halfway done putting the first top coat on the back bedroom today. Bathroom has its first top coat in the shower and the cabinets and the walls, so that's good. Apparently that Flex Seal stuff has to dry for like 24 to 48 hours, so I will not be putting another coat on that today. And then I think that's it. I think we're gonna call it a day. So if you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you will be notified anytime we release a new video. and we will see you tomorrow for day number 23. All right, see you later.